Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, BrittanyBearMakeup here. If you guys are new, then welcome. Today, I am so excited to show you guys the new Colourpop times BeckyG collaboration. This collaboration made me hella excited to review for you guys today. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a first impressions. I'm gonna use the products. I'm gonna let you guys know my opinion, and I'm really excited for you guys to see what this whole collection is about. So subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications, and let's go ahead and dive into the new HOLA CHOLA collection.
You are now rocking with
Brittany, bitch.
Bear fam, I am so excited for today's package. This was a package that I received in the mail that I was just literally in awe over. So let's go ahead. Let's start off with the amazing PR package that I received in the mail, guys. This is her HOLA CHOLA collection with Colourpop. You guys, this is so freaking adorable. So she included pictures of her mom and dad. I know BeckyG grew up in East LA, I believe, so this collaboration meant a lot to her. This was really, it hit home for her. It was really inspired by her mother and the way she did her makeup and just everything about it with like the spray painting and everything. I used to get shirts like this when I was younger. Just got me so excited. So here we have this super cute eyeshadow palette. So it is a total of 12 matte shades. Colourpop, this is their first ever matte eyeshadow palette they've ever created. So typically their palettes are a mixture of matte eyeshadows as well as shimmers, but this one is just matte eyeshadows. How freaking cute is this? So opening it up, you're gonna see a lot of neutrals. This is like your go-to neutrals palette, from a white eyeshadow to like a cooler brown set, as well as a couple warmer shades, but you have basically everything you need to create a perfect matte look. So I'm very curious to see how these eyeshadows wear on my eyes. So let's go ahead and let's dive into it and let's see what this eyeshadow palette is all about. All right guys, so now that I've went ahead and I primed my eyelids, we're gonna dive into today's eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited for this. These names are so cute. So she has Shy Girl, Loca, Cholita, Gata, Ruca, Lil B, Lil Smokey, Chingona. So super cute names, very, very Latina. I love that. Today I'm gonna create kind of like a Chola inspired look. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to start off with one of these beautiful eye shades. I'm gonna go into the Lil B. People actually used to call me Lil B too, BeckyG, so that's where it's at. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna place this Lil B color in my eye, just in the crease. Okay, Lil B, I see you. I see the pigmentation from you. Super cute. So I'm just gonna work this into my crease really quickly just to kind of get an idea of what we're working with. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It is definitely, the pigment is there. You know what's so crazy is that these are literally like the eyeshadows that if I were to ever come out with an eyeshadow palette, I would create, because they're all the same matte shades that I literally wear every day. I'm such a matte type of girl. This gets me super excited to become my new everyday palette. So now that I've gone ahead and I've blended this out, I'm obsessed. I'm loving how it looks. Okay. I'm gonna go into a different shade, and I'm thinking that I'm gonna go into Ruca, and I'm gonna dip my brush into this, and I'm going to apply this into the crease of my eye. You guys, this is really pigmented. What's good about it too is that I don't see a lot of fallout, which I'm all about that life right now. So I'm actually just placing it into the crease. Damn, BeckyG, you did this. This is beautiful. All right, so I'm just gonna spend a couple minutes just blending this out. Okay, loving it. So let's go in. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease because Cholita makeup, I always felt like had like this really, really white eye base like on the lid. So I definitely want to recreate that. So let me just quickly cut my crease, and then we're gonna place one of these colors, which is called Shy Girl, onto the base. All right guys, so I went ahead, I cut the crease, and now I'm gonna go into this white shade called Shy Girl, and I'm gonna place this onto my lid. It's like a super white eyeshadow. Oh yes. Oh my god, this is so Chola. I love it. It's so crazy because I feel like a lot of the way that I do my lips growing up was really inspired by Chola makeup. I always was obsessed with the way it was kind of like ombre. They would have like a darker lip liner and then it would fade. And I feel like over the years, a lot of makeup has been inspired by Chola makeup. I mean, that's just my personal opinion, but definitely the way that I do my lips and the way I outline them and ombre them is inspired by Chola makeup. This is so white, you guys. This is like the most perfect white eyeshadow I've ever placed on my eyes. Typically it's like super chalky white, but this one is super bright. Like you guys can see, this is very bright. So now I'm gonna go back into the palette and I'm gonna go into the shade Little Smoky and smoke this just into the corner of my eye. And then taking that same blending brush, I'm just gonna blend it out. All right, guys, so here's what it looks like once I went ahead and I smoked the black into the corner of my eye. I am seriously so impressed with the pigmentation from this eyeshadow palette. Wow. Like, I'm staring at it and I'm just so impressed. I have never placed a white eyeshadow on my eye and got that much pigmentation from it. Typically, it's like so chalky and I have to like layer the eyeshadows, but this one went on so pretty and I'm just really blown away. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna grab her eyeliner. Oh my God, you guys don't even know how much I love liquid eyeliner, especially in a felt pen. But look how cute the packaging is. It has like the little cherries. Let's go ahead, let's try it out. I cannot wait. Let's go ahead and try it. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start with my wing. Hello. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Okay, loving the wing, super straight. Oh yes. You guys, this pen is my new go-to eyeliner. Honestly, I'm not even just saying this. Wow. This one is so sturdy that it just keeps the line straight when I'm applying it. I have never tried eyeliner that goes on this well. All right, guys, so I went ahead and finished off the rest of my makeup. We're going to now check out her bronzers. So BeckyG and Colourpop went ahead and launched 2 bronzers. So the first bronzer is called LA. Super freaking cute packaging. It literally is a bandana, which I got rocking on right now. So here is the LA bronzer. This one is definitely more warm. I feel like it has more of a pinker undertone to it. Real quick, guys, look at this packaging. I swear her packaging is so freaking cute. Like, I'm so obsessed. This reminds me back in the day when me and my friends used to go take star shots and they would put us behind like roses or the cherries, or there were so many different like weird backgrounds, but we would all line up and we'd take our photos and it was super cute. But this bronzer right here is called 310. So this is 310. This is the bronzer that I feel like I'm gonna be using today. This wouldn't work on me if I was tan because y'all know that I get super tan. So I feel like I would go with the LA bronzer if I was more tan, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this one today on my face. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this on my cheeks. So it's very light, super pretty, but I have to say, like, for a bronzer, I like something that's a little bit more intense to give me more definition. I'm actually gonna go in and I'm actually gonna mix a little bit of LA because I feel like this isn't doing the sculpting job that I want. I'm gonna just enhance it a little. There we go. And then the rim of my forehead. All right, now I'm feeling more alive. Before I was looking a little dead there. So fairly quickly, my thoughts on the 2 bronzers is that even though I loved them and they looked pretty on my skin, they definitely warmed it up. I think she's missing a shade. I feel like there's definitely a whole group of people out there that aren't gonna be able to find a bronzer that works for them. So because this is a whole collection, I think it would have been really easy if they just would have came out with one more dark, more rich shade for darker complected women. And that is just my honest opinion. I do have to say that these bronzers kind of remind me more of like a mixture of a bronzer and a blush together. Overall, love the package, but I don't think that I can really like say that the bronzer is life-changing and it's become like my new go-to. Ideally, HOLA will always be my favorite because it's like the best undertone for my skin, but these are pretty, so that is my thought on the bronzers. All right, guys, so now we're gonna talk about the last and final thing that she went ahead and created, which were lip products. So she went ahead and created a lip bundle, and inside the lip bundle came a liquid lipstick as well as a matching lip liner. You guys, the packaging, everything, like I've already talked about this, it's just literally gorgeous. I feel like there's a lot of Latinas out there, including myself, that are gonna see this packaging and they're just gonna buy it based off the packaging and the way it looks because it just really brings back those memories growing up, especially for myself. Growing up in high school, guys, the only thing that I would wear in high school was lip liner and concealer on my lips. So I would straight up line my lips with like a really dark brown pencil, and then I would grab my sister's concealer and I would just put it on my lips, and it was totally that chola vibe. And then I feel like later on I started introducing eyeliner and things like that, and mascara, but that is why I feel like chola makeup to me, in a way, kind of inspired my makeup, I'm not gonna lie. So I cannot wait to try these lip products. Let's go ahead, let's begin. So here you have the packaging of it, and it's called Nerviosa. Super cute. My mom used to call me that growing up because I was always giving her problems. So this one is like a super purple, like a purple red. So you have the liquid lipstick as well as the lip liner. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys so you can see what it looks like. Ooh, this is so pretty. Super purple. These are definitely the colors that my mom likes to wear. I am not a fan of these colors on myself personally, but they're beautiful colors. All right, so here you have it. This one is Nerviosa. Now let's go ahead, let's look at the other shades that she also collaborated with. All right guys, so the next one is called Payasa, and this is it. Super cute. Once again, it has like the details, so freaking cute. So let's go ahead and swatch Payasa. So this one is definitely more of like a burgundy red. This kind of gives me Selena vibes. I feel like these were definitely the colors that you would see Selena rocking back in the day. These are really bad swatches that I'm doing right now, but you guys get the point. So here is this color, super chola. Like this reminds me 100% of a chola. Such a pretty color though. Definitely once again the colors that my mom used to rock growing up. She still actually rocks these colors. So I'm now going to show you guys my favorite color. So Becky also did not forget about us girls out there who used to rock the myth back in the days, like that super concealer look with a dark lip liner. So she also launched this one right here. So this color is called Muñeca, and this one is definitely more of a brown shade. So here you have it. Let's go ahead and swatch this. It's a cooler tone brown. It almost kind of has like a pink to it as well. Super pretty. Let's go ahead and show the liquid lipstick. So gorgeous. Definitely like an everyday color for someone out there, so I'm loving the shade. This is definitely more me. If you guys know, I love my nude lipsticks like a lot. And then I also want to show you guys, I feel like this is what everyone got most excited about with her collaboration. So she also launched this little roller stick. If this is not your childhood, then I don't know what to tell you guys. Like I straight up had a collection of these. They're just like these strawberry, cherry scented lip glosses that it would just make me feel like I was wearing makeup, but I honestly was putting nothing. Like if I apply this on, it's almost like a very hydrating clear gloss, but it's more of just like the memories that I feel like makes me this excited. She also came out with this one. This one is called just her roller gloss, and this is a packaging, so cute, just same packaging as everything else. So let's go ahead, let's finish off my Cholita inspired look today with BeckyG's collaboration. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use her lip liner pencil in the shade Payasa, and I'm gonna go ahead and lip line my lips. Now I'm gonna go in with her Muñeca liquid lipstick, which is that nude shade, and I'm gonna apply this onto the center. And then taking just a little Colourpop brush, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of blend the two and ombre them together. So the key to a good chola lip is to really like let the lip liner be the star of the look, and then everything else just kind of melts into one another. So I'm definitely trying not to get rid of the harsh lines because that is what makes the lip so flat. All right guys, so to top it off, I'm gonna go ahead and take my childhood fantasy, my little cherry lip balm, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this just to give that gloss. All right, Bear Fam, so that concludes today's first impression slash somewhat of a review on the new BeckyG times Colourpop collaboration. So I guess I would say my final thoughts on today's collaboration would be that everything worked fairly well. Like I was so impressed with the matte eyeshadows. I'm actually really excited about this palette. I know it's gonna be a new go-to for me because I am just a matte type of person. I was really excited for the nude lipstick as well as the burgundies. I personally won't dabble into those burgundies except rarely on holidays. The two things that I feel like I wasn't like, you guys need this, it's game-changing, life-changing, would be the bronzers. I feel like the bronzers were just running a little bit more warmer than I would like. I personally wasn't like a huge fan of the shades that were given, but overall guys, I feel like everything worked well. It just kind of is your preference. And one thing I would highly recommend, just like for childhood memories, you know, would be this little roller gloss because it makes you happy when you see it, especially myself. So with that being said, guys, that is basically today's little first impression slash review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do want to give my post notification shout out to my girl, Dawn to Dusk Designs. Thank you so much for having your post notifications on. And if you guys want a shout out, all you guys have to do is turn your post notifications on and comment when done. Remember guys, I have so many giveaways that I am launching in all these videos. So make sure you check the comments, description, everything to see if you won. And don't forget to enter other giveaways that I have posted about. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye guys.